Ingredient delivery services like Blue Apron have grown in popularity among people who like to cook but don't want to wait in line and shop to buy the ingredients they need. Blue Apron is seeking a $2 billion valuation in a new funding round. For $20, the service will send you portioned ingredients to cook 2 servings of a specific meal. We decided to see if a meal was worth the $20 price tag and ordered the orecchiette pasta, which comes with a half pound of peas, a half pound of pasta, an onion, some mint leaves, and a few other items you would need to make the dish. The ingredients seem high quality and fresh. Everything is portioned out, so you don't have to measure anything or waste leftover ingredients. The instruction page is simple and easy, with pictures clearly stating how to cook the meal, but they don't give you everything you need to cook. For this recipe, we needed our own olive oil, salt, and pepper. There's also a ton of packaging. Everything comes individually wrapped, plus the box had 2 cooler packs. We were curious how the cost compares to buying the ingredients on your own at a place like this Whole Foods here in San Francisco. To Blue Apron's credit, we couldn't find all the ingredients, so we had to substitute pea tips with bok choy and English peas with snow peas. The cost for the same amount of these ingredients at Whole Foods costs about $11. That's nearly half the price of Blue Apron. This meal is delicious. All the ingredients were delivered to my front door, and since they were portioned, it only took about 15 minutes to cook. But was the convenience really worth the $9 price difference? For me, no.